Hello, welcome to Ellie Bean Toys. Oh, the Fuzzikins are off on their beach holiday. We are taking the kitty campervan for a spin. Let's see who's in here. Oh, I can see a table that's slightly wonky and a really cute kitty. So white. We're going to fix that. Here's the middle-sized kitty and here's the baby kitty. They're all very, very ready to be decorated, ready for their holiday. So let's get these pens out, which are so conveniently stored here in the kitty campervan, and let's see what markings are we going to do on the baby kitty. Maybe we might put a flower around her eye because she's going to be a totally hip surfer kitty. So let's make this so pink and so colourful and so pretty. We'll fill all of this pink in around her eye. There we go. She is so colourful. Well, she started off so colourful. What shall we do next? Oh, we'll use the black pen to put a little triangle here for her nose. There we go. She's super cute and adorable. For the other eye, we might just put some little orange petals around it. There, that's so pretty. It's like she's having the biggest orange eyelashes ever. And she needs another flower down here on her belly. She is totally a flower power kitty. And, oh, what else should we do here? Maybe some up here on her head, another little orange flower up here on her head. We might make that a thicker orange outline, and we'll leave that like that for the moment because we need to put her little patty paws on. So we'll colour them in with the grey pen. So a nice big circle here for the middle of her paw and some little teeny toe circles. That's so cute. Now we need to try and match it up for the other side. There we go. Is she done yet? I don't think she's done yet. I think we need to grab that pink pen and fill this flower in. She is super duper colourful. We're going to make all of these kitties different colours and different patternings. Some of them crazy, like this one, and some of them the sort of markings that you would actually see on cats. So I think that this little kitty is pretty good. We're just going to make her ears, inside her ears, a really nice little grey to match her patty paws. And then little kitty is done. She's so excited. She's ready for her beach holiday, her surfing holiday. Now, middle-sized kitty, let me see. Let's put some really pretty eyeliner on this girl because she's going to be the big sister. And making these symmetrical is the tricky part. So we'll put a couple more little eyelashes there. Thicken up the bottom eyelash. And she already looks so cute. We'll put her nose on, little triangle nose. So cute. And maybe some more eyeliner underneath her eyes. She looks adorable. Now, I think she's going to be a tabby cat. So an orange, a ginger. I love ginger kitties. So let's make her a tabby. So with ginger stripes all over. So we need a whole heap up here on her head. There, that's so cute. We need a few down here around her cheeks as well. And some on the other side. She's going to be pretty symmetrical, this big sister kitty. And some up here, little tufts on the tip of her ears. So cute. Okay, all right, maybe some more down here. Some stripes along her front patty paws and some on her sides. Lots and lots of stripes. And some on her legs, and I think she's pretty good. I think we just need a few more little ginger stripes and then we can do her patty paws and her ears. We're going to put a nice big orange stripe in the middle here of her forehead and grey patty paws to match her little sisters. So cute. She is just adorable, and she needs some little pink ears, because if she's a ginger, she would have some very light little pink inside her ears, I think. There's 2 kitties ready now. It's just Mummy's turn to get all organized. So maybe some eyebrows. Okay, I think that kitties look a little bit weird with eyebrows. So maybe I should change the eyebrows into, let me see, we'll put a whole heap of orange here, and then we might try and turn these eyebrows into a big love heart marking. Let's see how that looks when it gets all done. Oh, that's so cute. Let's turn the other one into a love heart as well. See, sometimes these accidents are happy accidents. No eyebrows, but love heart markings. Turns out really well. We'll just make it a little bit darker and thicker around the outside. And now we're going to have some pink inside her ears, I think. And now what else are we going to do on this kitty now? If she's got love hearts, we're going to put another one down here on her belly. And maybe fill this in with orange. And, oh, got a little bit on her bottom leg there. Let's just try filling in a bit more down here, adding a bit more colour. All the way down the bottom. It would be like she's wearing a little skirt. Or it will look more like she's wearing a nappy. Oh my goodness. I think I just gave the mummy kitty a nappy. Oh, that's not what I intended. Okay, maybe I can fix this. We'll put her patty paws on and see whether that helps. I don't really think it does. Maybe if we colour it in a little bit more, like over her legs, maybe she'll look a little bit less like she's wearing a diaper. But I don't think I can save this. Maybe I can put a little love heart here on her paw, but that didn't turn into a love heart shape. Now it's just like a pink splotch. Maybe I could put a black love heart on there. Oh, that just doesn't tie in at all. Maybe some eyelashes will save this, but they're not even symmetrical. They're all wonky. Right, we are going to wash this off because these little kitties can actually be rinsed off and you can redecorate them. So I'm really glad about that. Oh, so let's rinse Mama Kitty completely off, and then I will start again, and I will go with the less is more type idea. We'll make her very sophisticated and stylish, and we won't colour in her eyebrows. We'll give her a nappy this time. That worked really well. So I've already given her some new eyelashes and some cute little whisker freckles, and we're going to just make her really, really nice and minimalist and gorgeous. We'll put a big black fringy scruffy thing over here, and we'll colour that in because I wanted all the kitties to look different, but she was looking way too different before. So she's now got a really pretty black fringy little scruff bit, and she's got some pink inside her ears, and maybe she could also have a pink nose to match inside her ears and some pink patty paws just to mix it up a bit, and she looks so cute with those. There we go. This is so much better. I'm so glad they clean off, and nothing on her belly, I think. Maybe we'll just put a bit more black scruffy bits on her paws, like mittens. Little mittens for the kittens. Oh, that's just adorable. It's like she's holding her little mitten paws up. Okay, that's perfect. So glad I was able to do a retry on the mummy kitten. So let's send them off on to their holiday. Let's put all of our pens away and let's check out the inside of this camper van. We can actually use this here for a bed for the kitties, so they can have a sleep in their camper van on the holiday. But we'll put that back up again because it's not sleeping time. Let's tuck them into their chairs. And we haven't finished yet because we have got some stickers we need to put on. So let's put our window stickers on the camper van. So cute. We have a nice big one here for the back. You can see inside the camper van. Well, you're pretending you can see inside the camper van. I can't see the kitties. Oh, it's trying to roll away. Can't see the kitties that are actually in there. And up here on the top, doubling as a handle, is a surfboard, which the baby kitty is going to be so pleased about. And this surfboard, yeah, for you, for the baby kitty to go surfing, because she is the surfer dude. So we've got some stickers that we can color in. So let's choose what we're going to use to decorate this surfboard. Maybe the Surf's Up one and maybe a flower. So let's get our pens out again, and we put a bit of color on these, and that'll make the surfboard extra pretty. So some nice pink petals on the flower. Flowers are ready to go. And let's do the Surf's Up surfboard one too. And I think I might get my other pens out to colour some more of these stickers in, because you can use the rest of the stickers to decorate the camper van. So we can really make it so cool and covered in lots and lots of colour. But we only have limited colours that are actually included in this. So they're good colours for the actual kitties, but I want a bit more colour for the outside of this surfer van. So let's get these stickers. Are they dry? Yep, they're good. So we don't want to smudge them. So a nice pink flower for the surfboard and a Surf's Up surfboard. There we go, little surfer kitty. She's gonna have so much fun. All right, let's get some of these other stickers on. We've got a rainbow that I've colored in. So colorful. On the back, I wanted to put this love bus one, but it doesn't fit there. So let's put this one on the side, on the door. Cool for cats on the front, so everyone knows that it's the Fuzzikins cats inside. And a big flower on the top, and another little flower here on the back. And now they're ready to go off on their beach holiday. Bye, Fuzzikins! Please don't wash all of your colour off in the waves. We'll see you when you get back. Now make sure everybody else remembers to subscribe and give this video a big like. And I will see you with a new video very soon. So I'll see you then. Bye!